Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I just did this get ready with me while I talk about K-pop comebacks and my favorite ones and ones I dislike. So if you want to know how I feel, just keep on watching. So let's talk about comebacks. So honestly, let me start with Blackpink. Do not that best work, you know, like the choreography, blah. The song, blah. I like the lyrics. Like, honestly, Jennie did a good job with her rap, and Jisoo did a good job with her singing. I don't really like Rose voice. Rose voice. It sounded like I said Rose voice, not Rose voice. Like, Blinks really would always be like, oh yeah, when are they gonna come back and all this? And they come back with that. Like, they could have did way much better. And Forever Young, I'm gonna insert the clip because y'all gonna be like, and Forever Young. They be like, they say something, what's a bum bum, what's a bum bum, or something like that. I'm like, what the what? I'm like, what do this has to do with this song? Like, I'm just like, what the heck? I was like, who said this was okay? What's a bum bum, what's a bum bum? Like, what do this have to do with the whole song? That messed the whole song up for me. Like, why would y'all do that? Fire them. YG fire them. They only released 4 more songs. Like, are you serious? You're joking, right? That was like a sneak peek, right? It gotta be like a sneak peek. They in the big 3. They in YG. So 4 songs is enough for their fans to really boost them up and really go crazy. And I'm like, damn, they couldn't even come out with 6 songs? 4? And 2 of the songs aren't even that good. Like, I ain't listened to the whole album because, like, I already listened to Forever Young and do. And these songs, like, it's just disappointing. Light Stick, while we're on the topic of Blackpink, let me talk about that. Light Stick, it's so bulky. And I know people are like, oh my god, you just hate Blackpink. Like, no, I do not. I support them. By support, I mean, like, I will listen to do. I won't buy the album. Like, it really is like a hammer, like a whack-a-mole, like hammer. But it's cool. I like how it light up, though. Not even gonna lie, I love how it light up. So yeah, I was disappointed a little with their comeback. I like the choreography to Forever Young, like how they start off laying on each other. Like, that's such a Blackpink, like, classic. Like, they always on the freaking floor. Who else just came back? Gugudan, Semina. I love that song. I didn't listen to the album, but I should. I really love this song. Oh yeah, 17 came back. Oh, let me stay on Gugudan for a second. No, the only thing I don't really like in Semina is that the girl who rap, I think her name is Erica. Actually, I don't know her name, but the girl who be rapping in Semina, I'm just like, she need more singing parts, cause she's like a background vocalist for the 2 other girls. I don't know their names. Well, I know the one girl named Sejong, I think that's how you say it, cause she was on the show with Sehun from EXO. I'm like, hold on, I know her. When I was watching the music video, I was like, hold on, oh my gosh, she was on Busted. If you don't know what Busted is, it's on Netflix. It's the show where, like, they detectives and they try and figure out, like, the murders and stuff. So let's talk about Sehun. I mean, not Sehun, 17. I don't have anything to say about Sehun. He fine, that's all. He need more lines also. Oh yeah, 17 came back with Oh My. I didn't listen to the album yet, so don't be mad. But I love that song. What? They killed it. They already had that third win. I was like, yes. I really love Oh My. I love the choreography. It's so cool. It's like with one new controlling on that. It's so cool. Okay, so another comeback that disappointed me was, I mean, obviously 17 comeback didn't disappoint me, but a comeback that did disappoint me was Momoland, because it just is like, it's exactly like Boom Boom. I was tripping over Nancy glancing at, glaring at Blackpink. I'm like, so, I mean, they've been winning. Blackpink was winning like in a row, of course. But who else? btob. Oh yeah, btob. Their comeback. It was okay, you know. Like, I wasn't like too excited. I mean, I didn't listen to that album either. Like, I literally don't listen to any albums. But I'm waiting for EXO come back. And BTS come back also. They coming back in August. I'm like, ugh, y'all just came back. Why y'all trying to eat all my money? Yeah, Kim Donghan, his debut. Let's talk about that. I love Sunset 100%. I listened to his album, and the only song I don't like by him is Ain't No Time. That song, I don't like that song. It's too auto-tuned. And my favorite song off his album Sunset, well, D-Day, is Record Me. Spice came back with Dancing Night Wave. Is it my favorite? It's okay. It's good for the summertime. I wouldn't listen to it any other time, though. Dance the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more. Also, I'll link my latest video down below so you can check it out. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Bye.